Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Bonjour, je voudrais parler avec le responsable.
D'accord, un instant.
Once more with the English translation.
Bonjour, je voudrais parler avec le responsable.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
D'accord, un instant.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
Je voudrais parler avec.
person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Bonjour, je voudrais parler avec le responsable. Bonjour, je voudrais parler avec le responsable.
Now, how do you answer this question?
D'accord, un instant.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
D'accord, un instant. D'accord, un instant.
This French sentence literally translates as, all right, one moment, but it means, okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
Le responsable. Le responsable.
A sales representative.
Le représentant des ventes. Le représentant des ventes.
The manager.
Le gérant. Le gérant.
Customer service.
Le service client. Le service client.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Je voudrais parler avec le représentant des ventes.
D'accord, un instant.
Je voudrais parler avec le gérant.
D'accord, un instant.
Je voudrais parler avec le service client.
D'accord, un instant.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person?
Je voudrais parler avec.
Person. And how do you answer it?
D'accord, un instant.
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
Le représentant des ventes. Le représentant des ventes.
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
Je voudrais parler avec le représentant des ventes.
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
Je voudrais parler avec le représentant des ventes.
D'accord, un instant.
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say the manager?
Le gérant. Le gérant.
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
Je voudrais parler avec le gérant.
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
Je voudrais parler avec le gérant.
D'accord. Un instant.
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
Le service client. Le service client.
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
Je voudrais parler avec le service client.
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
Je voudrais parler avec le service client.
D'accord. Un instant.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!